How to use MetaTrader 5 app. So what do we mean by Forex trading? It refers to the trading of one foreign currency against another. This means trading in the various forms of currency that are in circulation around the world. On the Forex, currencies are traded in matched pairs, that is, one currency is sold against another that is bought. The most popular currency trades are the majors, and these include USD JPY, USD CHF, USD, and the GBP USD. This may sound very exciting, but before you start, it's vital that you understand the basics of Forex trading. There are a great many risks involved, but there are advantages as well. It's not that hard to become successful as Forex trader as long as you follow a few simple rules. Also, the internet has several sites that offer online training in the art of Forex trading. The internet is an ideal place for either the novice or experienced Forex trader to obtain further training to improve their chance of success. Before you can begin trading at Forex, it is fundamental that you have to understand how Forex trading operates. The Forex market provides an opportunity to trade one currency against another, so if you think a currency is going to go up against another currency, you would buy, and if you think it's going to go down, then you would sell. So how do you learn which currency to trade? A lot of people just rely on their instincts, but in reality, to be successful at Forex, trader needs to keep in touch with the market to help him know when to trade. It is fair to say that you'll probably get it wrong more than you'll get it right, but if you spend your time following the influences on the various currencies, you will stand a greater chance of success than somebody just trades on instinct. The Forex is a huge market. It trades more than $1.5 trillion every day. That is 100 times more trading than on the New York Stock Exchange. Also, the Forex market has a lot more speculative traders than the stock exchange. If you want to be successful at Forex trading, it is vital that you remain calm and collected at all times. This means becoming educated in all of the concepts of Forex trading and gaining expertise through the experiences of others. Forex trading can be very exciting and has the possibility of completely changing your financial prospects. If you take the time to learn how the market works, and Forex trading can be a high reward, low risk form of speculation.